Hey, it's Sal Governale from
Big meal.
Small places.
And what are we making today?
Today we make Struffoli, Napolitan Struffoli.
Yes, that's right. And it's made every Christmas.
Every Christmas I make this is something we do all the time, every Christmas.
Yes.
Tradition, you know.
Tradition for Christmas.
Yeah.
And what this is, it's a little dough ball about the size of a marble that's deep fried, and then it's drizzled with what, Dad?
Honey.
Honey, and then we put sprinkles and a little sugar.
Yeah, and it's absolutely delicious. So, if you love this recipe and you love my parents like I love my parents, be sure to subscribe, right, Dad?
Right.
How do you subscribe, Dad? How do they do that? You push the button below. There's a little button below. Just press it, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's make Struffoli.
Let's start it. So we're going to start with 4 cups of flour, 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk, some lemon zest, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt.
Okay, let's make it happen.
First we mix all the ingredients with the eggs. We put the sugar in the eggs.
How many eggs?
There's 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk.
Okay.
And then we put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. And then we do some lemon zest. And then we put okay, we're gonna put a pinch of salt.
Okay.
And,
Baking powder.
and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 and 2, and we have 7 tablespoons of butter melted. When everything's nice and mixed, we add everything to the flour. I'm going to start to mix with a spoon a little bit, and then I use my hands. If the dough is like a little dry, I'm gonna add like a little milk a little bit at a time. Like I'm gonna add close to 1/2 cup. And then try it again. You have to feel it.
Let me do it.
No, my hand's already in there. Okay, the dough is almost, put all together. We're gonna dump it in here, and my husband's gonna finish working on it.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna saran wrap and let it rest for a hour to even an hour, even 2 hours, but if an hour is good. You can even put it in the refrigerator to do the next day.
Right. And there it is.
And,
So now you're smoothing out the dough that
Right.
was rested for a 1/2 hour.
Yes.
Now, Dad, what's the purpose of that?
well, you have to purpose this. The dough is shredded. I mean, it's shredded.
You don't want no bubbles or like
Hard
lumps
dough.
on the dough when you make the soup. You want that nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to roll it. You're going to flour the table,
Yeah.
and then you roll it out.
Roll it out.
So you grab
Got it.
a little piece at a time.
Yeah. It'll be like an inch.
Right. You cut them in 1-inch pieces.
No.
Yeah, that's 1 inch.
Yeah.
When we finish cutting them, we're gonna fry it in like 1.5 liters of canola oil and 375 degrees.
Let me drop this in.
Not yet. I got scoop.
Oh, take it out.
I dropped some in.
Those are good.
They're ready to out. Put them in
How many minutes do they fry for?
1 minute.
1 minute. You have to look at it. When you see they're gold, you take them out.
Yeah.
Put the recipe.
So you let them fry for a minute.
And you watch, because they have to be like this, nice and gold. No, they're too much. You can put all that. You can put it too much, don't overcrowd it. Okay, we got 2 cups of honey on medium heat. When it starts to bubble, I shut it off and I add Struffoli in.
So you're stirring the.
You stir it till they absorb the honey.
Okay.
I'm going to let it stand for a couple of minutes so the honey gets a little thicker around the Struffoli, and then I put it in the bowl. Okay, now the honey settled into the bowls, and we're going to add a little. He's going to add a little bit of sugar and sprinkles to it. Go ahead.
So this is a combination of a half a cup
Okay,
of,
no more for
of
now.
sugar
Now I'm going to mix
and sprinkles.
it, and then I'll put it in the plate.
Okay, I'm going to plate it.
And there you have it. Easy Christmas Struffoli. Buon Natale.
Buon Natale.
Happy holiday, everybody,
Merry Christmas.
and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.